in the corner, 20 pins of steel. No glossy touch screen, but it prints what's real. No pages in its memory, no spool, no disguise, just a stream of little truths in a monospace size. I send a single character, it moves its head. You hear the tick, tick rhythm of the words I said. No promise of a future, no buffering of time. If the byte was sent, it's already a line. No waiting for a new line, no page to be done. The moment that I write it, the paper's already run. One byte at a time, you tell me the state. Carriage turn dreams and a paper tape fade. If the system crashes, you're still gonna say what happened right there when it all went away. One byte at a time, no lies, no pretend. If it reached the printer, that's where it ends. Ancients talking pages, lasers thinking sheets, but you speak pure cereal in mechanical beats. I print half a thought, then I wait 5 minutes more. You hold the line steady like you've done before. Yes, the seasons whisper like registers set. Bold on, bold off, no stage you forget. From factories to basements, from labs to the night, you've been logging the truth since 79. No cloud, no driver magic, no silent delay, just metal on paper in the embedded way. One byte at a time, you tell me the state. Tabs and line feeds, carving out fate. If the power goes dark, if the watchdog bites, you've already written in the last known light. One byte at a time, deterministic sound. When the system went down, you were still around. Tick, 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 that's the heartbeat of a process that never lies. While buffers overflow and geese freeze, you're still printing alibis. Paper keeps the memory. When RAM forgets the crime, no segmentation fault can erase what you stamped in time. I opened every USB raw and bare. No formatting angels, just bytes in the air. I print my fears, I flush my soul, and you punch it straight through to a physical scroll. When the reboot comes and the logs are gone, there you are, still calmly going on. A ribbon worn thin, but your message intact. A timeline of truth and black on white fact. One byte at a time, you never forget every state transition we've ever met. No spinner, no progress bar, no wait, just a hammer of dots, sealing fate. One byte at a time, when all else deceives, you print what the system actually believes. So here's to the printers that never pretend, to the sound of a log reaching its end. When the debugger sleeps and the traces all fade, you're still there printing history, one byte at a time.